In this video, I will guide you how to create a Revolut account in Pakistan. Download and open the Revolut app on your phone. Tap Sign Up and select Pakistan from the country list. Choose the correct country code and enter your phone number. Input the SMS verification code sent to your phone number. Enter your full name, date of birth, and email address. Select your preferred currency. Take a photo of your national ID for verification. Capture a selfie to complete the process. Select a Revolut plan like free or premium options available. Order a physical card or choose a virtual card. Follow any additional prompts to finalize your account. Start making payments and transactions. That's it. Now you know how to create a Revolut account in Pakistan. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.